What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ozzy and in today's video I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the Beat Studio Pro colors. Now the Beat Studio Pro did release in 4 colors, that being the classic black, the navy, the sandstone, and the deep brown. Today I'm going to be able to show you guys a little bit of a close-up on what the colors actually look like in real life. Now if you go to the store or if you visit online, you're not going to be able to see them. I don't think they have them on display at the most stores that I've been to, so maybe they have the black one out on display, but some of the real cool colors being the sandstone and the deep brown, you don't really get to see it in real life. So hopefully this video can help. I'm going to shoot some close-ups for you and that way you can take a look. So hopefully this video can help you pick a color if you're interested in purchasing them. I know these are a great value when you can get them on sale. Now Amazon Prime is a great time to take a look. I know some stores also have some sales, so you can get them there as well. But if you're interested, take a look at my links. Maybe they'll be on sale. I know Prime Day is a big day that they do go on sale, and you'll probably be able to catch them on Prime Day. So enough of me talking. Let's just go ahead and take a look at these colors and let me know what you guys think in the comments below of what your favorite color is. But let's go ahead and take a look and get into these classic Beat Studio Pros. Let's get into it.